Take Profit 1 is already. Take Profit 2 is already hit. Can we get back up? Can we cross? Can we cross? I want to hold. 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 I want to hold so bad. I want to hold so bad. I want to hold so bad. Come on. I know you got more in you. I know you got more in you. Give me more. Give it to me, Daddy. I know you got it in you. Give it to me. Come on. Push, 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 push. We're out. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It is time. Well, it's almost time to get started. We're going to be jamming out the music until market opens. Once market opens, then we're going to be going ahead and focusing, locking the fuck in. I don't want no distractions. I don't want no music playing. And if I do have music playing, I don't even want music playing. I don't even want music playing. I want to be locked the fuck in. And if I am listening to music, it's going to be some headbangers. We are not looking at that screen. Took it upon myself to make sure that, you know, marked up everything. Marked up where my hourly, my 4 hour, marked out the fair value gap so that we might go ahead and bounce off of. We have a equilibrium drawn out to see whether or not price hits this green line. If price ends up hitting this green line and goes up, we're looking for some sells today. If price wants to go ahead and hit this green line and go straight down plus inverse this fair value gap that's right here, we're looking for sells. It's just that easy. It is just that easy. If I read the market wrong today, then I fucked up somewhere and I need to do better. That's exactly where we are with this right now. But for the next 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and just jam. What is this? A whole lot of nothing that belongs on my screen. Fuck off. All right. Next 5 minutes, we're just gonna be jamming. Don't care for it. I could feel it in the air, air. I can feel. You can feel. I can feel it in the air. Do you feel the vibe?
Like Chris Cloud, stuck to the city, come get it down. Rolling around, I tighten down, slow motion with shit. We had to crawl like a let. We don't know just how to act when we on this level. All I know is bass. See it in your face. When the 15 like a fool tripping on trouble. Round and round we go. Lights flashing in this atmosphere. What I'm seeing double and get in the trouble. But your body like crystal clear. So what's happening, shout? Picture perfect, no caption, shout it. Just ask it, shout it. They get lost now. Then wake up like what happened, shout?
Do you feel? Feel it in the air. Is it just me? I can feel it in the air. Is it just me? Is it just me? Do you feel the vibe, baby? Trust me, trust me. Something that the back has been trust me. Something like a dream state. I can even see straight. Do you feel the vibe, baby? Do you feel the vibe? Oh yeah, oh yeah. You feel it, baby? Yeah, that was just fucking eye torture right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, market is open. Let's go. See what we do right off the bat. Just to give a good understanding to what's happening here, I manage two accounts. One account is this 5K right here. This account is about 50K. You'll see me jumping from both of those quite often, but I'm trying my best to keep this on my phone. I'm just trying my best to have that happen so that way it's not so fucking for you guys. Market open, we swept out these lows, London's lows. We're gonna see exactly what else happens. Telling you, if we come back down into that range of I don't even have it drawn out. Yeah, I do. Alright, so on the 5K, we came pretty close. On here, we also came pretty close. We also have a 1 hour fair value gap that I want to pay attention to. So the same principles are going to apply to this GAN box that I drew out in the 1 hour and this fair value gap that I drew on the hour. They're going to share the same principles. They're going to share the same rules. If price goes and taps into this green line and this box and then wants to push out of the box, I am looking for buys. Although there really isn't anything to the top. I mean, there is for this. We're going to be looking for buys. If price wants to go ahead and inverse all the way down to the bottom and just continue on disrespecting the Fibonacci, disrespecting this line plus this box, we're looking for sells. Now, I'm not just going to base my opinion off of that alone, but that's a starting point. That is just a starting point of where we're at. Right now, The stronger brother is NASDAQ. So I want to be watching NASDAQ until we get a manipulation to this. Well, we already got a manipulation to the downside. So do we have an SMT? An SMT is when price makes a higher high on one index, and then when you go to the other index, it would make a lower high. So is there no hour? We don't have an SMT just yet. We have a 15-minute SMT. From this 15-minute to there. Can we work, please? Thank you. Can I get my lines? Where are my lines? Why am I not drawn out? Oh! Because I deleted it. I deleted it. Where did it go? Can I get ES, please? Can I get ES, please? Thank you. Thank you. I didn't mean to delete it. Thank you. Just looking at the wrong one the whole fucking time. Alright, so now that we're back in action, we don't have a low on the 15-minute to go off of necessarily. That low is all the way down here. That hourly low was already pushed through on here. It's my job right now to find where the fuck this other low is residing. Alright. Now that we got that situated, we could try to see if there is an SMT to be had. Boom. Boom. Not really. What about a 5-minute or 15-minute? What we're trying to do is see if there was a higher high made with one and a higher low made with another. So this is the one that broke. Yeah, 45 and 9. 45, 9. Nope. 8:30, 8:45. 8:30, 8:40. What? 8:45, 8:30. There's no SMT there. I don't think we have an SMT just of yet, to be fair. So 8:45, 8:55. 8:45, 8:55. Let's see if that is the SMT. 8:30, 8:55. 8:30. 8:55, and we're gonna go right back to here and make sure I drew that out right, and I did not. 8:55. There's still no SMT made, but as I said before, if price came down into this level right here, broke through, we're gonna be. I want to wait. I want to wait to see what this price action does exactly. On the day, we're still bullish. 4 hour bearish, 1 hour bearish. Okay, so all the little time frames leading up to the 1 hour and the 4 hour are bearish at the moment. which means we're looking to go down. Now, if we're going to continue to go down and disrespect this gap and then come back in, then we're looking for buys. But if we continue to go back down and bust through this, then I'm looking for sells. But I want to make sure there's a proper SMT to be had before I do that. But we're still very early. We're still very, 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 very early in the day to even think about taking a trade. You see that this didn't even bother to push down further. This tapped straight into it, where this candlestick blew through, NASDAQ hesitated. Right, so on this chart, we hit that line. On this chart, we hit the line where we're just waiting to see a reaction. We're just waiting to see a reaction from here on out. We didn't get an SMT, but what we did get though is we got to break a structure to the downside. Got that. This is the. We go into the 5 minute. Did I say break a structure? I meant inverse fair value gap, and that inverse fair value gap is right here. Blew through. Now we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna patiently wait to see what this does. Because remember what I said, if we just blow through and then come back up, we're looking for buys. I want to see price come down into this, but with the daily looking so strong as it is, with the 4 hour leading into an uptrend with a small retracement, this little retracement here could just be an hourly retracement. It could just be an hourly or a 4 hour retracement, which is fine. That's what I want. All right, so we didn't get the SMT. We don't have a break of structure to the downside just of yet. We don't have a break of structure to the upside just of yet, but we did have that inverse fair value gap form. That inverse fair value gap was here. Busted through the inverse. Now what we need is EQ to the top, to the upside. How do we find equilibrium? We get the Gann box. We wait for the low to get made on the 5 minute time frame. And then we take the low that it was just recently made up to the most recent high, which would be right here, and then just draw it out, wait for price to come up, down, and then up again. We're going to take the trade in the we're going to try to take the trade in the 50% mark of equilibrium, and then after that we have one more step to look for a trade. But we're looking really good right now. Honestly, we're looking really good right now. So like I said before, I want to be able to see us come it's easier to see here. I wanted to see us come down, hit this blue line, and then back up again out of this box. I want buys. I want buys today. I want to be looking for buys. I want to hit this. I want to hit this. This. NASDAQ is the stronger brother right now. Lies. ESs. NASDAQ is the one that's lagging behind right now. So, seeing as NASDAQ is the one that's lagging, we will want to go ahead and take sales off of this. Either sells or buys, whatever tends to come first. Shit, well, until then... Take profit levels 1, 2. genuinely gotta be fucking here. I'm really hoping this motherfucker doesn't take off without me. Okay, relax, 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 relax. Don't take profits without me. I don't even have confluences to get in just yet. All right, we're in. Now, the only thing that I have to do is just manage these positions. We're in here for this trade, and then this trade we're also in for. See the outcome right there. I'm gonna be watching my phone just in case there's any kind of reversals happening. Alright, we need another headbanger. That's just not gonna do it. I can't go ahead and... I'm not looking to take a lot of money into this trade just because there is consistency rules that I gotta go ahead and follow. But I will try to hold this off at like 350. If I see a reversal happen after we bust out of this fair value gap, or the hourly fair value gap, I should say, then we'll see.
Everybody with your hands in the air. Yeah, what's up, son?
I might just kill the trade right here at take profit 2. Yeah, I'll kill trade at take profit 2. And then the 5K, we just let run. Damn, I'm over here fucking around. Take profit 1 is already, take profit 2 is already hit. Can we get back up? Can we cross? Can we cross? I wanna hold, 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 I wanna hold so bad, I wanna hold so bad, I wanna hold so bad. Come on, I know you got more in you, I know you got more in you. Give me more. Give it to me, daddy. I know you got it in you. Give it to me. Come on. Push, 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 push.
Put your hands in the air.
We're out. And that's how you go ahead and make $300 and something within a matter of, what was that, 10 minutes? I guess it would work if my microphone was actually on, right? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're gonna go ahead and we've already done our trade. We've already made our money. We good for the day. Now, what I have a habit of doing and what I would like to start sharing is putting my trading skills. I would like to watch my mentor and see if my trade was up to par with his trade or better. So that's exactly what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna sit back, watch TJ do his thing, and see if he won or lost any money. We're gonna see what kind of confluences he used today. Not every single trader uses the exact same confluences when it comes to trading. Not every single trader trades the exact same way. Although I have learned from the person that you're gonna go ahead and watch, I myself don't necessarily follow his exact trading pattern. I do follow his confluences and try to follow the exact same rules that he goes and places within a trade. But other than that, I don't sit back and watch him just to try to take a trade. No, if you're doing that, if you're really looking for call outs like that and taking your trades off of somebody else's trade, you need to get the fuck better. You need to stop that, shut down everything, shut down every single fucking stream that is playing a trade for you, and learn for yourself. Fail. If you're even at that point, if you're even there, you shouldn't even be in a market. You shouldn't even be in a live market. Your ass should be in a demo account, paper money account, not just a paper money account, and practicing until you are confident enough within yourself to say, I got this. I could do this without him. I'm at that point where I am confident excuse me, I am confident to say I have this, and then want to watch him after I'm done trading. I've tried in the beginning of the year. I did the opposite. I started watching him. I wasn't necessarily following his trades and taking signals off of him, but I was just watching him. But what I started to find was it was fucking with me. It was fucking with me really hard. I couldn't think for myself. I didn't like the idea that I wasn't able to just fathom my own thought and then place it into reality. I didn't like that. So what I did was shut down his shit completely and started taking my trades by myself like I have been in the past. And here we are. In the beginning of my trading journey, I did exactly what we're going to do now. I placed my trades. I was in a paper account, placed my trades, and although it wasn't the exact same day as him, I still tried to make sure that my trades were on par with his. Back then, though, they weren't really there. We're in a whole different fucking environment now. We're in a whole different situation where we have so many fucking tools at our disposal now. We understand the tools. We understand the weaponry. We understand how to use them. Now we're going into battle every single fucking day now. Going into battle with minor scars and bruises and cuts and injuries. Where back then I was losing arms, legs, having to reset my soul. We are going to go ahead and just watch TJ play out his trade. We're going to see if our trades were on par with him and move on from there. Alright guys, so let's do this shit.
Trade that we're in.
So he's looking for longs.
Keep an eye on that for a second while I get this shit sorted out.
Good. I don't know why it doesn't show him getting into the trade, but I guess he started off that way. Works fine by me, though. I don't have to sit here for an hour. We could just sit here for 30 minutes. I believe I entered somewhere around here. Or was it somewhere around here? He took his trade on the NASDAQ. Fair enough. I took mine on the S&P. He's already in profit, where I was sitting back, still waiting for my shit. I mean, he's not really in profit, but he's getting there. Alright, we're just gonna lose money here? That's crazy. We should be able to see that reversal sometime soon. Well, I guess we weren't able to go ahead and see if our trade was exactly what was what, but we can see that the idea for a long was there on both sides of the bridge.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, don't be sorry. Do you? You already explained yourself by placing your trade without an explanation. It's all right. You said what you needed to say without saying it. It's cool. You're good.
All right, we got market open in like 12 minutes. So right now there's a big.
He's already in a trade before market open. This motherfucker is a hypocrite. Hypocrite. He was giving his chat so much shit for placing a fucking trade before market opens. That explains why this is a 30-minute fucking video instead of a whole hour.
Bullish SMT off of these lows up to these lows on NASDAQ. We have these lows down to these lows on the S&P 500. We have relative equal highs on ES right here and right here, right here, and up here. There's a whole bunch of highs that we have in the market that we could potentially be targeting. We got above.
Oh my god. When market opened at 9:30, it shit the bed.
This, we're filling equilibrium here.
Or I might be thinking of yesterday. Well,
let's see if we punch underneath these lows here on ES. While NASDAQ still remains pretty freaking high above any of these lows down here that ES is taking out. ES is pushing underneath these lows. We might want to be filling in this 4-hour gap a little bit more.
Jeez, Tyler, you're already down $1,000? That's crazy. We're gonna see if this shit turns around. I wasn't really paying attention to what market was doing prior to the open. Although I do have a very good.
We do have this 4-hour gap right here
that it dumped. It took out a low
that we have potential to get filled. But I mean, I don't know. On ES, we already took out these lows. We'll see what ends up happening.
I don't think somebody did a market breakdown today.
We shall see.
And it shows
that these 5-minute lows.
Doing a proper breakdown for the past 2 days. It shows.
We have these relative equal lows, but these lows were already swept and we started getting bullish confluences out of that off of ES. I still think even if I get stopped on this, I'll probably still be looking for longs. Or not probably, like for sure. As long as NASDAQ doesn't give us any bearish confluences down underneath these lows, longs will be the move. Ow. Just said play music. Dude, I was on here without even being on stream and I was like, oh shit, I should probably take this trade. And now I'm dialed in with the no music.
That
Do we
makes
just
sense.
carry
That
on
makes
with no
sense. That
music
makes
for this
sense.
entire session? Your hair looks like a bird's nest. Thanks, Gustavo. I really appreciate it. Ah, God, bro, my thighs or my groin is so tight. My groin is all bundled up, dude. It's so freaking tight. So tight. Ugh. All right, let's see if we start getting rotations. Let's see. Let's see. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday.
I feel really bad for him once market opens. Like, I feel so fucking bad for him.
It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. All right, now I want to listen to music. Now I want to. Favorite Indian streamer? Thanks. Thanks, dude. I try my hardest. I try my hardest. My hardest. I try my hardest.
Another MC and TJ could make you advance to another level up hype, yo. To another MC and TJ could make you advance to another level up hype, yo, 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 yo. Keep the crowd moving. Keep the crowd moving.
Bro, there's this one dude that's so fucking weird in chat. He just keeps saying, "Pop an upper deck, bro. Pop a Zin in. Pop an upper deck. Put it in, bro. Get an upper decky." What joy or what sort of feeling do you get when I go and use something? Like, why do you want me to put a Zin in so bad? Like, what? That literally makes no sense. And he keeps spamming it. He's like, "Bro, pop it upper decky, pop it upper decky." You don't get any sort of head rush. You don't get any sort of feeling besides seeing me put one in. Like, do you have mental issues? Do you have like,
Keep the crowd moving.
like, are you okay? Do you just like find joy in like seeing other people do shit that like you wish that you could do? I don't understand it. I don't get
His
it.
fucking chat is just weird. Let's just watch this 9 o'clock, this 9:30 candle.
I'm
Fuck
super
his ass
confused
up.
at the thought process behind that chat spammer.
Hopefully this
Bro, do not stop me out. Oh my god. I'm stopped out.
Goddamn rules.
Wow, and on this one I got stopped out on my freaking on my live and not on the funded yet. I'm down 36k. You're kidding.
Keep the crowd moving.
36K on the day already, and market hasn't even fucking opened. His face, yeah, that's the market stealing your soul because you don't want to stay to your fucking rules. But hey, who am I to talk? I just lost fucking $800 last Friday because I couldn't stick to my rules. Let this be a lesson learned, though. Stick to your rules, because if you don't, your ass gets fucked.
I'm down 36,920 bucks on this. Bro.
Keep the crowd moving.
Are you genuinely capping, bro? Are you actually capping on this one? I'm full porting longs.
Keep the crowd moving.
Bruh. Do I just take longs again?
Keep the crowd moving.
What do you mean again? Did you go in for a long before this?
Like what? What do I even do? If we break structure here, I'm going long.
Keep the crowd moving.
Bro, the fact that the fundeds are still intact is actually motion, though, because on my live I don't really care about it.
That's crazy.
Or not that I don't care about losing a trade, but it's a lot different. Like if you lose a trade on a funded, it's like, damn, bruh. Like,
Keep the crowd moving.
like you need every trade that you can get on the fundeds versus when you're on live, it's not.
All right, so we haven't even opened up yet. Let me not speak before 9:30.
Not as much of a big deal if you take an L. Nice. I mean, dude, we're looking freaking awesome for this. Another freaking. We got SMT divergence. We're maintaining the 5-minute bullish structure. We're looking great. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and enter again on my phone. Imagine. Nah, this would actually tilt the fuck out of me.
Please don't tell me you entered in again. Hold off. Oh God, please hold off. Don't do it.
Uptown on Broadway.
Did he go in again? This motherfucker.
Gotta get it what they all say. Everyone to get it what they all say. West side girls
So
love me.
thirsty.
East side girls love me. Down south girls trust me. You got something lovely. All I wanna do is let go. Baby, grab a hold and lose control.
I told you, 9:30 candle was gonna be disgusting. That's why you should have waited,
Gotta
motherfucker.
get through your sexuality.
Bro, that just made me lose way more than I was supposed to. How is that even possible?
By not doing a proper daily breakdown. That's something that you preached, motherfucker. That's something that you preached. Look at you, breaking your rules.
Was it the fill? Genuinely, how is that even possible? Bro. Are we being so dead ass with that one? Yeah, I'm down 100K on the day. 100,000.
Oh my God, he said he is down 100K on the day. What the fuck? What? Oh my God. That hurt me. He's gonna have to make this shit. He's gonna make this back. He'll make it back.
$240. That's pretty fucking insane. That's really 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 insane. That's the exact opposite of what I needed on that. That really puts me back at net negative on the month.
Oh. Ouch. Ouch, Kip Bibbles. What the fuck? That is crazy. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna get a little screenshot here.
Bro.
Do you go back in, or do you just say fuck it? You have to have gone back in.
Oh my fucking god. Of course, bro.
This is why you stay patient. This is why you follow your rules, because I mean, again, not every single trader trades the same. Not every single trader will do the exact same thing every single fucking time. Not every single day you're going to rely on an SMT, although there are people out there that do rely on an SMT all the time. With like, they're say, okay, I know a person out there that won't take a trade unless a SMT divergence is available. If there is no SMT divergence on a higher time frame or a 15 or 5 minute time frame, that's it. He won't even take the trade. Me personally, I don't care. I'm not. There's different confluences that I'm waiting on after the liquidity sweep. It'd be the break of structure on the 5 minute. It could be the equilibrium. It can hold on. Yeah, EQ 79 or not the equilibrium. Break of structure, inverse fair value gap, 79 extension, and there was something else I forgot. But I don't usually use a 79 extension. I rely or the SMT. I don't usually use the 79 extension all too much. I do rely heavily on break of structures and inverse fair value gaps and fair value gaps, but all those different confluences need to show before I need to take that trade. That's why, again, I'm going to revert right back around before I divert into a whole different fucking chant. And that be patient. Be fucking patient, because if not, you'll feel the hurt. You'll feel the hurt. Today, something in the market showed him the enter in early. I think it was because of how London formed its last low. That was a little tricky to understand. As if you were watching the beginning of the video, you're gonna go ahead and see that I myself was a little confused on where the fuck London's low was. It was crazy. Ended up marking it out, seeing it for what it was, and there was a positive reaction, which is what you see right here. There was a positive reaction off of the low, and then we just skyrocketed. And I just being patient. Be patient.
I literally wasn't even going to trade today. The nice thing is we have FOMC on Wednesday. The only problem is we know they're not going to cut rates. So I don't know how that's going to affect the market. We have the FOMC presser. I mean, the last 2 FOMCs I've made multi-6 figures. But after the way that I've been trading this month, bro, I don't know about this. Oh, man.
I feel that. What he's feeling now, I feel that shit straight to my core. I was on a losing streak. I mean, not even a losing streak. I fucked up really hard by going into 2 trades, a revenge trade, and lost more money than what I needed to. Like he did. Like what he did today is exactly what I did on Friday, and I lost more money. I lost so much more money. I thinking about it makes me upset, but I can't think about it because if I do ponder on it for a very long period of time, it will fuck with me mentally, and that's what's happening with him right now. He's been on a losing streak for the past 2 days, 3 days, and he's lost an extreme amount of money. You just seen that he was down 100K on the month. So if you have to have confidence in your trades, you have to have confidence in your strategy, and you have to have confidence in yourself to know that you will stick to your strategy, because you as a trader should know at this point, if you do not stick to your rules or be patient in the market, you will get your ass fucked. You will get your ass turned around, flipped upside down, held by your toes, and asked you to spread your butt cheeks without any lube. Don't do it. And he's feeling it. He's just feeling it. He's just fucking feeling it.
I'm down 100K on the month. Well, and I mean, luckily, the nice thing is that I lost 100K today and I'm down 100K on the month. So the entire month's losses are from today, essentially. I mean, obviously, I've just been going back and forth with wins and losses this entire time, but it really fucking blows.
Got to make sure that internet was still working. A lot of times the internet will cut off on me. But this should be alright.
I just...
To put some context into what's actually going on, he's explained this before, but just to give a very good explanation on this, what he's trading on right now is his funded accounts. His live accounts are all done on his phone. He's trading at one time 4 accounts, but simultaneously trading on 3 while trading on 1. Get that? Got that? Good. So he's not just losing this trade on this funded account, he's losing 3 other trades on 3 other funded accounts. Something like what I'm doing, but I'm not using the same broker or the same company to fund me the trade. I have one trade I use one account that is a 5K with Funder Pro. I use Funder Pro for the 5K and Trader 5 for the 50K. So I believe there should be a way for me to go ahead and simultaneously trade on both accounts, but there's a different service that I have to pay for that to happen, such as him. He's paying for, I think he uses TradeZella to trade on multiple accounts. I'm not too sure on that, but I know for a fact that he's using a service to do so. Point being is 4 accounts, all duds, didn't pop off, and that's sad. Where on his phone he trades his live account to get more money. That's essentially what he's trying to do with this too. He's trying to get more money out of these 4 funded accounts and also prove a point to people out there that, hey, my strategy is good, my strategy is valid, kind of fuck you. But he has been so focused and so fixated on trying to pass these accounts that he's been flip-flopping, acting like a fucking newbie instead of sticking to his core rules and passing that shit. I mean, you're not gonna always see green days on your calendar, and if you do always see green days in the beginning of your trading journey, there's gonna be a very there's gonna be a very big smack to the face eventually. You're gonna have to learn to lose. You're gonna have to learn to accept the fact that these days do come, and you're gonna have to learn to hopefully learn to avoid them from ever happening again, or mitigate the amount of times that they do happen in the future. But that all comes with experience. I myself have been doing this for about 1.5 years, and I'm not even close to his level, but I'd say that I'm good-ish. I'm better than what I was last year. That's all that matters to me. Sorry about that, guys. Had a little bit of a technical difficulties there for a second.
Fuck is this?
That's it. That's all she wrote today for his ass. And that's all that she wrote for us, too. Hopefully, watching me and watching him would give you a clear example on what to do, what not to do. I'm not saying I'm great. I'm not even saying I'm at his fucking level. I'm not even saying that I'm better than him. Not by any fucking means. Not by any fucking means. But I am better than what I was last year. I am better than I was 4 months ago. And that's only because of him. And it's only because of the process that I'm putting myself through every single day. I'm showing up every single day, whether I blow my accounts or I don't blow my accounts. I show up every fucking day. And if you do the exact same, if you want to learn this, and if you show up every single day and you give your best to this, eventually you're going to get good. Eventually you're going to see some results. It's not going to be the results that you want to see, but you're going to see some type of fucking result. And over time, if you learn from what you're doing now and get better at what you're doing, the sky's the limit. The sky's the fucking limit. Love you guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hopefully we'll catch you guys tomorrow. If not, oh well. Love ya.